case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a significant 2008 case heard by the Louisiana Court of Appeal, the interaction between property owners and public access rights was put under the microscope in the contest of Toups v. Abshire. At the heart of the case was the question of how to maintain a balance between protective measures initiated by a property owner and the unfettered use of access by the public. Earl Toups, the appellant, was engaged in a conflict with Wade and Melinda Abshire, the respondents, over the passage rights on a road that ran across the Abshires' land. The Abshires had installed speed bumps as a safeguard for their child, trying to regulate the speed of vehicles on the thoroughfare. However, Toups insisted that these additions, along with a culvert, a fence, and a drainage ditch, constituted encumbrances that obstructed his use of the servitude of passage. In the initial trial, the court ruled in favor of the Abshires. It maintained that the access road was adequately wide for Toups' use, and that the restrictions he complained about did not impose any tangible limitations on his passage rights. Unconvinced, Toups disputed this judgment and lodged an appeal. However, the Court of Appeal concurred with the original verdict and ordered Earl Toups to bear the costs of the appeal. It recognized no violations of Toups' passage rights, as he did not present compelling evidence of any unfair encumbrances. Importantly, it deemed the speed bumps as necessary, not constituting a hindrance to the reasonable utilization of the access road.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.